Hey guys, welcome back. Welcome back to another video inside of Minecraft. Today I am going to be finishing the Ender portal and hopefully going to the end. Let's go. And once we go to the end, I will. I'll trade with the people there, the piglins. So I'm going to wear a gold helmet right now, just to make sure I still have something on when I go there to the end. Now I'm going to fill both of these buckets up with lava and do the normal thing to try and get it to make the end portal. So I've done this before underwater. It has worked each time. So yeah. Oh. Okay. I dropped my iron sword. That's kind of dumb. So, yeah. That's why I like to have a lava pit near spawn. I didn't put a seed or anything, but I like just to have a lava pit near spawn. For that reason. What? No! And I can't break them. Oh, that stinks. You can't break them because then they don't give it back to you. You just let them grow. I'm going to get me some sweet berries from here. I'll just do this row of sweet berries. Okay, that's enough. Wait, let's get a whole stack. Okay, we got a whole stack. That was totally planned out. The cow's like, moo, moo, which is kind of weird. Let's go down in the dungeon. There's the end portal if you see it in the water and stuff. Yeah, so it's right there. Oh, whoops, I messed up there. That's okay. I think it still works, right? Doesn't it still work? I hope. Because if it doesn't work, I'm not going to be happy at all. Okay, thanks. That was my nanny. She got me something to drink. I'm going to drink it. Tea helps me play good. That's the tea she fixes. It's really good. Sweet. Whoa. There's a mine there, too. Maybe there's two mines. Okay, so this should be the last. This should be the last trip to the lava. Look, I can stand right here and kind of. Oh gosh. Wait, why is this a thing? What? No. Run. I don't see any water nearby. But I hopefully will be okay. I'm gonna drink some more. That sunflower must be having a good time over there. Is that a llama trapped in a cave? That's the saddest thing I've ever seen. What do you do when you see sad things? You kill them. Nobody saw the evidence. Except for y'all. Y'all saw the evidence. But y'all won't put me in a courtroom, will ya? For killing a llama. The music is so loud. Oh gosh, I have to go back for one more trip. Man. Get some more of this tea. I was thinking after this we could go to the nether and barter with some piglets, pigmans. There's something like that. Hello, Mr. White Sheepy Sheep. You're dead. Why are these sweet berries? Do the sweet berries have the effect of like real life? Where you eat something sweet and then all you want is more? I think that's what they have on the effect or something. Keep. The tea beside me. Yeah. So I'm gonna shear the sheep in a couple minutes. I made them all pink sheep because I want to make that like a big pink, full pink heart. Wait. Yeah, I did it. Okay. Inventory. I don't have any blocks on me. No. Well, do I have a shovel? No. Okay. We're going in. So how you do this? You go down. You fill up the end portal. I know, sounds super dumb. Breathe. And then I'm gonna break all this dirt just to get some blocks. You need a bunch of blocks. Keep that in mind. A bunch of blocks. Then you fill this part up. Take all this dirt. And you fill this. You fill as much, you fill like a room, and then it's the end portal, and then you have a trap door on the top. How do I know this? I've done it before. It's very complicated still. I'm looking very fashionable. I didn't know that. In the game, I'm looking very fashionable. I got some iron stuff. So the reason I picked that gold helmet out is because it makes the piglins not get mad at you. And they won't kill you, basically. Work with something gold to the nether every time you go, and it's way easier. Oh no. I have to go up for air. I have to place blocks here. Down. Oh no, I placed the block in the wrong place. Which is okay if you place a block in the wrong place. Oh wait, okay, yeah, I can make the trapdoor now, I think. Well, let's get out of the water so you can break stuff faster. I don't think I can break it. I can if I had a big brain. Big brain plays right here. No! Place the block! Game, you gotta make me place this. I break you. I break. Oh no. I gotta break it real quickie. And then you gotta jump back down, put everything there. Now you gotta go around here. Oh man, I need one more block. I can use white wool. I can just use wool. There. And then you put a trap door on the top. There. Okay. I either have tea or Dr. Pepper beside me. And I'm recording these. But on the last video, I didn't have anything. Because it was early morning. And stuff. Wait, what? So I have leather. Okay. Oh, I have a bunch of leather. Okay. How do you make a trapdoor? There they are. I see them. Why is it 6 wood to make 2 trapdoors? That's outrageous. Wait, can I break the block under that? Can I break you? No. Okay. Actually, I don't need to break you, really. I just can put you there. Wait, no. I put you in the wrong spot, didn't I? Or did I? Did I? No, I don't know what I'm doing, kinda. I know what I'm doing, but I also don't know what I'm doing. So you go like this, and then you put that, then like that, then you take another type of block. Put that there. Then you get to do the fun part, and you go in here slowly but surely. Oh no, I gotta break this. Oh no. I'm gonna start drowning. It's okay. It might not be okay. Oh no. Am I gonna die? Okay, I'm dead. I'm dead. It's nighttime too. That's not good. 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 On the plus side though, you don't have to go to bed in the nether. I think if they made a nether nighttime, it would be so mean of them, of Minecraft. Make a nether nighttime. I mean, that would be pretty sick if they did do it. And then again, you have to put a block there. Okay. So then you do that. Then you go down in here. I hope. Isn't this supposed to be... Wait, I can't click that? Oh no. Uh-oh. Okay, I closed it. Oh gosh. No, get out. I thought that was a zombie. Okay, we gotta go. We gotta move. We gotta move. We gotta do something. We gotta move. We gotta move. Oh, tripped him. Mr. Cow. Oh, we meet again. Always gotta have my midnight snack of sweet berries. I think in Minecraft, they should make you have fat and stuff. Like make you, if you eat too much, you get fat or something. I think that'd be funny. Let's see what we got here. I mean, I know what we got, but like, what is the problem though? So we gotta get this water out. Wait, can't we just... Wait a sec, can't we... why... Wait. Is this water? Wait a sec, is this water? Oh my gosh, what are you doing? Yeah. You won't come up here. Oh, it's okay. Let's swim after him. How do you do this then? I thought I had figured this out already once. Wait, I have figured it. I think I have figured it out. My PC battery is running low again. Okay, guys, actually, it looks like we're going to have to wrap up this video. If you enjoyed it, smash the like button, and I will see you all in the next episode of Minecraft. Bye!